me. Sisi
This woman is humiliating me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh, you're so soft. Hey guys.
So look who we have here.
Hey.
It's Makeupbyjaytee. You guys, it's only right. How can I come to Atlanta, buy tickets, and not film with her? I've been booking for that many months ago.
Like 4 or 5 months.
I'm sure before I even bought my tickets. It's been in the works for a while, but then we're here. We're doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. Just be merciful upon us as we do this, because it's gonna be a freestyle. Anything you see, just accept it. Doesn't have to be good. Like Nikkie Tutorials, which was the one that invented the challenge, by the way. Yeah, let's do this. Anyway, gosh, if you see the food she made, it's one of the reasons why I came here is because of the food. If you follow Jaytee, you know that Jaytee is a chef. Mama is a caterer. Her house is Zanga for food in Atlanta. So just in case you're in Atlanta, eat her up.
Are you checking for you first?
Let's do your own first.
Why? This is your channel.
Let's show them the fact that OO did not work at first. So you're supposed to use the first letter of your first name and then your surname. So my surname is Odumba, so that's OO, and then put look behind it. So yeah. Oh. Look. Why is it taking for you?
My phone is wondering what is look. My phone is just wondering.
Don't kill me.
What is second? What is OO look?
I give up. I'm going to check on my phone.
Wait, but you're using Google Ninja.
What's Google Ninja?
Your phone was showing Google Ninja.
Does not mean my Google does not work well. Google is Google, please.
I did.
When I checked OO look, what came out was quite unfortunate. So it's just like a pamphlet. It's just trash. So I'm going to use the first letters of my business name or my YouTube name. So that's Fari by Sisi. So that's FSBO. Look, as you can see, this is obviously way better. We have red, we have green, dark blue, and light blue. We have yellow. Anyways, we're going to do something inspired by that. Let's do J and T look. Jaytee's own is the most complicated. She has like 17 colors.
Ridiculous.
She has the dog, the gray, yellow, mustard, green, dark blue, light green. Let's do this.
Rainbow.
So it doesn't have to be everything. Just pick little. It can just be one dot on your face that is representing one color.
I think I want to focus more on the yellow mustardy color
as a lead color.
I think so.
Should, yeah.
Though I've done like many yellow looks before.
But that's on your channel. This is on my
channel. True. That's a pretty yellow.
I know, right? It looks nice. So I keep packing and packing. I have one color out of the way. Moving on to the next. Let's dip in it with the pink on the girl's shirt. I
finally have my orange down. Orange is done for me. I'm going to now use the brown on the dog.
The brown on the dog.
The brown.
Brown to one yara ajaye. Aja one.
Okay, so I got my orange, I got my brown, and I think
my yellow and my pink.
I think my lid color is going to be the mustard.
So the yellow color.
Let me quickly put a little bit of yellow. Where's that yellow?
Just put yellow in tear duct.
Yellow, I'm taking yellow. I'm taking eyeshadow yellow right now.
Eyeshadow yellow.
I'm taking yellow eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna use it right here to soften my crease colors. You probably can't see my yellow, but I'm picking up yellow right here and I'm adding it.
Oh, please. That doesn't count.
Yes, it does. What do you mean?
That doesn't even count.
Look, yellow.
But the placement does not count.
See, the change will go crease color on me. Oh.
And today of all these, I decided to wear flower. Should I just want white stuff?
You just wear black.
You see that chair that lady is sitting on?
Oh, me too.
Yeah, go to G. Say hi to my subscribers.
Jeremiah, say hi.
Hi. I'm not enjoying this lemon at all. So
that looks pretty.
So now I'm going to put a light blue.
Six and a half hours later.
Okay, yellow is down. Oh, there's green too. There's green and there's like a lot of blue. So I think I need to put blue on my eye.
Yeah, I think you should do yellow, blue on lid.
Yellow and blue.
Me, I'm doing lime green and sky blue.
Oh my god. Hey, what am I doing?
You have to blend it now.
It's not.
It's not as bad as you think. Let's just keep moving.
I think the only color left for me visible is like the green
and your black. That's all. Jaytee sons, they are 3 in 15. 15 in 3. You see the smallest one?
It's like 10.
It's 17 in one. Jeremiah has shown us something to do. We have to go and call the neighbors come and help us.
She's lying. My mother-in-law and my sister-in-law are here now, so.
Like, hey, please.
Forget video.
Really, I entered the door.
I just came here to eat. I do not think she's here for this video.
They already know that I'm a foodie girl.
Because she's been eating non-stop.
Non-stop, guys.
I'm done.
When was the last time you went to Nigeria?
2011.
Huh?
2011. When I was getting married, I went to Nigeria to get the actual cake.
That's the longest time. Living in Nigeria, usually I always say, oh my god, I can't live anywhere else. But the way this government has been frustrating everybody, as in, I won't lie to you, it's really difficult owning a business and running a business in Nigeria.
At the same time.
Everything is frustrating you, everything. The government is frustrating you, the people are frustrating you. Everyone is just living a very shady life. Guys, who want to see a masterclass of me and Jaytee in December?
Let me see your hand up.
Mention in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. If not, Jaytee will not come. And the thing is that our styles are so different. You're very boom in your eyes, bold. Me, I'm very like calm, subtle.
I'm always about my brows. I'm always, especially my eyes. Actually, brows now. Brows on myself, yes. On clients, because I try not to be too bold with my clients, but when it comes to eyes, I think some people are actually scared of me when it comes to eyeshadow. That no, I cannot use that because she's just too dramatic with the eye.
When I used to like do bish makeup, they're like, sorry, I'm a bride. Do you do neutral colors? That's when I now say, you see, if you check on my page all the time, I was just doing nudes, gloss. People just judge you by what they see on your page. I can be very bold, I can be very editorial, I can be very subtle. If you're a true artist, I think you should be able to do anything anyway. So our styles are different. So Jaytee is going to cover the OMG glam bish, give them engagement wedding, and me I'll cover the bridal serene.
Oh, that would be nice. You're ready for the class,
girl. I was born ready.
I think I should just be bold with it. For the green, I should look for a green lipstick.
Yeah, true.
Do not rush to have kids. Take your time. My God,
Jaytee is tired.
Which area are you in Nigeria?
Mangodo. It's on the mainland. It's not like you know it.
As if I know. I will definitely be staying in Lekki.
Lekki, obviously. Any return person is always in Lekki. I'm in Lekki.
What?
Lekki.
I'm not a return.
So what are you? You're not a return.
I'm a lady me.
I'm a lady Wombe. 2011.
I'm just gonna stop touching this eyes because I'm just over it. I haven't used MAC Face Plus in a long time.
Hey, I can't do my makeup without.
Really? Have you tried Skin Denivia?
I have it.
You don't like it?
It's expensive.
Than MAC? Skin Denivia is more expensive than MAC?
How much is MAC?
Hello,
$36.
And Skin Denivia?
It's not cheap, especially in Nigeria. It's not cheap. If you go to MAC store, this is $8.5. Scandinavia is in the 15,000s.
Oh, it's $29. Exactly. I've been wasting my money on this. I thought it was cheaper.
Every time I watch your video, I'm like, Scandinavia, Scandinavia like that, be on me.
And I really do use it like water.
She left the video as if I'm not still doing my makeup. What is this like?
You have to do a crazy lip color too, because
I'm doing red now.
No, you're not doing red. You have to do
so what will happen to the red in the picture?
Put red somewhere in your eyes.
What?
I will not be the only one looking crazy.
Nah, fam. People just think that this highlight is the blonde hair of the mother in the picture. People are saying Jaytee's uku, abi. Let me move out of the way so you can see it very well. Uku.
What's uku?
Yash. What's that?
Skin Denivia.
Skin Denivia. You said Skin Denivia.
I think you should use a red blush.
And then what would be my lipstick?
Actually, do yellow. Yellow as your lipstick. I have yellow. Yep.
I already put yellow here.
That's fine. We can't see it anymore. I'm not gonna do it. You're doing yellow. I have yellow.
I can't see your orange.
I have yellow.
I can't see your orange.
No, yes you can. No,
okay, so you can't see this bright yellow that is here.
No,
Jaytee is cheating. Do you have dark blue though?
Dark blue lipstick? Oh yeah, I do.
I'll do dark blue for the guys, the suits.
And the tie.
I guess my blush is going to be red. I look like all those Chinese dolls. It's not bad actually. So light skinned people, they just get away with a lot of things. So unfair.
Oh, what a wow.
This is how I'm looking.
What a wow.
Jaytee has set me up.
That's pretty.
Are you? How pretty, girl. It doesn't look nice, Jaytee. See?
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't, Joe. Let me just stick to my red lipstick.
No, you're already doing the blue. Just put it on. Me, I'll not be the one looking crazy. Nope.
But I know that you should do green lipstick. You might have just done your nude, JJ. I look ridiculous.
So do I.
Look, I've just ended this on a good note. See how I look. Like all those yummy leko. My lips are now shiny.
No, use black. Use black. Don't use blue. Use black. Okay. Why do you have gray hair? Where did you get the gray hair?
Give me mirror. Leave me alone.
What happened?
Gosh.
I didn't put the white powder, see. I told her about to
move.
Do a blue and red ombre now.
I will try it if it's bad. I'm totally wiping it off.
Why? This is a challenge. It's not your everyday look. We're not going to ombre right now. It's a challenge.
It's a challenge. I did not say, did you know?
I like the blue. We compliment each other right now.
You compliment yourself. I'm not complimenting you.
Just do ombre.
Why? Like she told me you figure logo.
Gucci. You should have done green and red. Gucci.
Yeah, wicked.
No. Put all the red on top of the blue.
You see, I'm answering you.
It'll be a blue red.
I'm obeying you.
Oh, what blue red lipstick you in?
I'm never arguing again. Can I look like mama?
Me. Mama Mileko.
That's it. It's only you that you're going to do
like this. And then when I say Mama Mileko, you turn around.
No. You guys, Jaytee, stop. She's humiliating me.
Oh my God, what? Ekpe me. Sisi Mileko.
This woman is humiliating me.
Oh my God.
This
I love that.
Guys, this is what Google has done to our life.
How did we do, guys?
I tried my best.
Compare the pictures to our looks. I think we did that. We
made it work. It was difficult, it was hard, it was ridiculous, but I wiped off that ridiculous blue lips.
Well, I think I went with the picture. Okpa on the other hand, I think her blue lips would have set it up. Or yellow lips. Yellow. But thank you so much for coming to visit me and for us doing this video. She finished all my food.
I'm still going to eat rice and take my takeaway. Anyways, we're going to do a video on our channel that I'm going to try my best to turn her into a bride again, as if she has not already experienced being a bride. The video is going to be on our channel, so you guys should make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Makeupbyjaytee.
That's not your channel name. Your channel name is Jaytee Johnny.
Oh really?
Wow.
I thought my channel name was Makeupbyjaytee.
Is it? I could have sworn it's actually Jaytee Johnny. Except if I'm smoking something. I'm pretty sure you're Jaytee Johnny on YouTube. You see?
What a wow. But if people search Makeupbyjaytee, it will still show up.
It will show up, but then your channel name is Jaytee Johnny. She doesn't even know what her channel name is. Anyways, check out her channel, Jaytee Johnny. She's bomb. And if you're in Atlanta and you need a makeup artist, she's your girl. Yeah. She's a woman, not a girl.
I'm a girl.
Yeah, okay. Let's move to the outro. Like and subscribe and share this video and let us know if you had fun. Don't forget to check out our channel. I love you guys. Pieces, doozies, kisses.
Wonder